boy Kilo the motherfucking Don, and we're back again with another video, man. Today we had a car meet. It's my first car meet video. Got my little sis, baby sis in the building. Got my Dukes in the building too. Man, look at these motherfuckers. Look at these motherfuckers right here. Oh shit. Plus he's shoving in there. What he finna do? Is he finna turn up or what? Then they got this big ass dually right here. Motherfucker big as fuck. That bitch take these alone. Hell yeah.
See, I want a big boy truck like that.
Uncle Derry finna get one. Come on. Where y'all going?
Oh, y'all going the wrong way. It's supposed to be over here. Alpha.
But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next clip. It ain't really too many people here right now, but I'm gonna start back up when some more people show up. So shit. Yeah. Look at them motherfuckers. They is out. They is out. Look at that motherfucker right there. Motherfucking Grinch stole Christmas, nigga. Look at him. Yeah, talk to him. Talk to him then. Crew. Hellcat crazy. Hell no. Yo, turn over the camera. Yo. Turn this bitch up, man. What are you finna do? I swear, no traction. I gotta see this shit. Oh shit, that's boost.
I ain't gonna lie, that must be loud.
Fucking movie, nigga. Fucking movie. Oh god. This nigga Boosie clowning.
Boosie is out there.
Oh, here go Boom.
Boone a goddamn fool too. Make sure you send me the video.
Alright.
That's tight. With the hat on.
Charging my phone.
Yo.
They're gonna police. They're gonna police.
Motherfuckers ain't even made it to this.
Yeah.
That's that one.
Nah, that's the police, baby. I know these guys. Karen, Mr. Karen over there calling the police and shit.
Shit, where we going?
They don't care about me.
Batman Entertainment, goddammit. Y'all know how I'm going all the time, little cuz for do anything, goddamn. It's going down.
All that for you, my peoples, was the SRT versus LS car meet in Hopkinsville, Kentucky, man. All I gotta say is stay tuned for the next one, because, hey, the Don will be going crazy in that 2SS next time. Working on that motherfucker right now. I'm gonna get that motherfucker. Ain't do nothing that little RS. I was trying to get laughed at here. All the V8s was going crazy, but shit, all the V6s wasn't doing nothing. So I was like, yeah, I peep it. I said, yeah, fuck that shit. They ain't doing shit. I sat out to watch the V8s go crazy here, oh God. But yeah, y'all, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hey, share it to a friend, share it to a family member, whatever. Shit. Enjoy.